Hey Beauty Boss, Emily Segrin here again. I hope you're still super excited about the fabulous decision you made to start your own Avon beauty business. I am really excited for you and know that your starter kit should be arriving soon if you don't already have it. So your starter kit should arrive within 3 to 5 business days from when you sign up. If you have not received it for any reason, please reach out and I will help you get it. So that starter kit is going to have brochures and samples and full-size products, as well as some reading material to go through to get you started on the right foot. So just a little history about Avon. We were the first to bring AHA, alpha hydroxy acid, to the industry. We have our own R&D team that is constantly coming up with new innovations and products that are on trend. Did you know that 4 lipsticks are sold every second through Avon representatives? Super amazing. And we have some well-known global brands like Skin So Soft, Moisture Therapy, and Anew that your customers are already going to be familiar with. So let's use the power of those brands to get you more customers, because once they try what they're familiar with and see all that we have to offer now, they're going to be super excited and wanting to try all of our Avon products. Now remember, you're the representative, so you need to be wearing and sharing everywhere you go. Always have brochures on hand. Always have business cards on hand. You may want to keep some of our popular products in stock for on-the-spot sales. Don't worry about learning everything all at once, but take the time to learn and read and watch others in the beginning. It's super important to be learning as well as taking action. So carry brochures, samples, and your business card with you wherever you go. Always be presenting the opportunity for customers to buy from you face to face, buy from your website, or to sign up on your team. Believe it or not, I used to be pretty shy about presenting the Avon opportunity. Now it's my favorite part of the business. Avon is fun. It's simple, easy, and fun. So remember that as you go out and share, because when you're having fun, it doesn't feel like work and people are drawn to you. So the Daily Care Collection, again, is a product bundle available to new representatives in their first 7 campaigns for $19.99. It has some of our brands, Skin So Soft and Moisture Therapy, in there, and it is a fantastic deal. So see how many of those you can sell. Remember, while you're trying to hand over the brochure in the paper form and passing out some of those flyers, to also be posting those pictures on social media, emailing, texting, and just sharing your excitement. That's what's going to bring sales in for you. Try to always follow up with your customers. We live in a very busy society. There's notifications and noise going on all around us. So remember that as an Avon representative, you want to be providing top of the line customer service, and reminders and follow-up is part of that. So just feel as though you're being helpful, not that you are pushing a sale. Learn about the products a little bit at a time. I hope you can join in on my webinars as well as Avon corporate events. You really want to get engaged and try to become a part of the wonderful Avon community that we have. It's an exciting time to be with Avon. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions. I will tell you that I was not successful for my very first year. The whole year I was trying so hard. I did not give up, but I only had one customer left. And now I sell almost 100,000 online. Our team sold over 2 million in 2017. And I get to live the life that I enjoy around my family, taking vacations and traveling as I please, working the hours that I want to work. I'm not saying it's not hard work, because I do put in the time to be successful, but it has allowed me to live a life by design, not by getting in my car and going to work every single morning and listening to someone else telling me what to do every day. I've been able to do so many cool things with Avon. I've been on about 30 trips in the past 10 years. Those are all expense paid, but I worked hard to get there and earn them. I've had the opportunity to meet Fergie in person. I visited Avon corporate in New York. So many fabulous opportunities with Avon. And just keep believing in yourself and don't give up. We will all help you become a success. Make sure that you go through your friends and your family on your phone, in Facebook, through the phone book, if that's still what you use. But make it exciting that you've started your Avon business. Make a big deal out of it and keep that excitement high. Push, 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 and persevere. And with the help of the Avon brand, the company, and your support team here, we are going to help you be successful and achieve all your dreams with Avon. Take care. See you soon.